It's like AI is everywhere you turn these days, right?
Huh.
Like it's writing books, making art, even composing symphonies. Crazy.
It really is remarkable. And the
Yeah,
pace of advancement, it's mind-blowing.
totally. But here's the thing that's really got me thinking. It's not just what AI can do that's changing. It's the actual hardware, the nuts and bolts that power it all, that's undergoing a revolution of its own.
I couldn't agree more.
And that's what we're diving into today. This amazing new research on something called AlphaChip. Basically, it's AI that designs the chips that power AI. Talk about meta, right?
Absolutely. And from what I've read, this is a total game changer.
Exactly. So let's break it down. We've got this article here, and it's talking about how AlphaChip is already designing chips that are more powerful and efficient than anything humans have come up with.
It's like giving AI the keys to its own future, isn't it?
Right. So tell me about this whole chip design thing. What's so special about it, and why is AlphaChip such a big deal?
Well, imagine trying to fit billions with tiny transistors smaller than the width of a human hair onto a chip the size of a postage stamp. That's chip floor planning in a nutshell. It's wildly complex, like a high-stakes game of Tetris on a microscopic level.
Okay, that's a lot of pieces to fit together. No wonder it's so difficult.
Right. Traditionally, it's taken teams of brilliant engineers using specialized software, weeks or even months to do this well. It's a painstaking process.
But AlphaChip changes all that.
It's already doing it. This isn't some far-off concept. The article says AlphaChip can churn out optimized designs in a matter of hours. We're talking a process that used to take weeks, now happening before you finish your morning coffee.
Get out of here. That's insane. So how does it even work? Is it just copying what human engineers do?
It's way more interesting than that. Remember AlphaGo, the AI that mastered the incredibly complex game of Go?
Yeah. Beat the world champion, right?
Right. Exactly. Well, AlphaChip uses the same underlying technology reinforcement learning. Think of it like this. The AI gets a reward every time it places a component on the chip in a way that improves performance or efficiency.
So it's like training a dog, but instead of treats, it gets points for designing awesome chips.
Exactly. And with every iteration, every attempt, it learns and gets better. What's fascinating is that it's not just mimicking human strategies, it's actually coming up with completely novel approaches, things human designers haven't even thought of.
That's kind of wild. It's like AI is showing us how to design AI hardware better than we ever could.
That's the really exciting part. And one of the most concrete examples the article highlights is in the design of TPUs.
TPUs. Refresh my memory.
Right, sorry. Tensor processing units. They're specialized chips, kind of like the engine of AI. Everything from image recognition to natural language processing, TPUs are behind it all.
Ah, got it. The AI workhorse.
And what AlphaChip has done for TPUs is astounding. We're talking about a 4.7x performance boost, meaning they're almost 5 times faster, and they're using a whopping 67% less energy.
So wait, hold on. Things like my phone could run AI apps 5 times faster using way less battery life.
That's the potential. And think about the implications beyond just our personal devices. We're talking about data centers, scientific research. Everything powered by AI could become exponentially faster and more efficient.
This is huge. And the article said it's not just Google doing this, right? Other big players are already jumping on board.
Yeah, it's not staying in the lab. MediaTek, a global leader in chip manufacturing, is already incorporating AlphaChip into their design process.
So this is about to become the industry standard then.
It's looking that way. And the really exciting part is that the potential applications of AlphaChip go way beyond just chip design. Researchers are buzzing about its potential in medicine, materials science, even things like designing more efficient solar panels.
So AI isn't just going to power our future, it's going to design it. This is seriously mind-blowing stuff.
It really makes you wonder, what other seemingly impossible engineering feats will AI tackle next? Where does this all lead?
That's a question for the ages. Well, a huge thanks to everyone for joining us as we explored this incredible new frontier in AI and hardware design. It's been a wild ride. Until next time.